Hi, welcome back to our channel. Our next video would be us picking apples. I'm just gonna show you where. So right here, there's a bunch of apples on the ground. It's a big apple tree. So tomorrow we're going to come back and get some more apples that we're gonna use for baking.
Getting some apples.
Yeah, we have one here. Apples goes on like that, and then you pull it. So don't know what kind of apples these are.
Look like that one is cool.
Yeah, it's still good.
I got it. I got one. And I got one.
Good job.
And some beans.
Oh man. Oh! Oh no!
Okay.
We want to use this for baking. Oh, softly, Mas.
Mommy, I got the big apple.
Okay, where? Let's see. Show me. Yay!
See,
That's a big one. Can you take them out? How much more do we want?
Big one.
Oh, you want to get that one?
Yeah.
You know which one it is?
It's that one.
Yeah, that's right. You know.
That one is a good one.
Yeah, there's a bee in them. You unload that one for mommy? Yeah, that's cool. It makes it look even more fresh. So that's what we have so far. See, do one more.
Yeah.
Whoa!
So mommy.
This one? All right. You wanna try it, Mas?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do the water meter.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be back.
Whoopsie. This one can fit more apples in. Put it in the basket for mommy.
I think they're wet.
See? One,
One. Just
Two.
the big ones. The big one.
3,
Four.
and 4. This big. I can just pick these ones. Okay? You want to try with the stick? Should I get the basket? Here. Look at this big one. Look at this one, has a bite. But we need more net. So here we're gonna make another net thingy. So is this a survival video?
Yeah, mommy. Yeah.
It is?
Yeah. Coming back, mommy?
Yep. So I need to make a pointy part right here. So I have this little point here. So to pull the apples like that. Okay, I'll give that a twist. So here we have our bamboo that's long, and but I need more length, so I have another bamboo here, and it happens to fit in the hole because bamboos have holes. See, like that. Have a duct tape here.
And then I get to try.
Yeah.
I want the kid to try one.
Can I have the net, please? If there was a hole here, I could put it through, but more than that.
Okay. Mommy, I want to try
Any more?
one.
One more?
One more, I think.
I think it's fun.
Give it a try. Yeah, that one. Yeah. So pull. Yay!
It cracked.
Yeah, it has a crack, but that's okay.
Yeah.
We can cut that out. Whoa! Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, sing it has. Sing the one. That's an apple.
Yep, they're not perfect.
Uh-oh. Look.
Got it. The other one's better. Oh, it works.
Try to turn.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
There.
Good job. Tico.